Good, whatever time of day you're watching this, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4! Woo! Join the raid train by subscribing and click that bell so the train goes woo! This morning it is raining. It's a dreary day. My camera's getting wet. That's not a good thing. So today's kind of a chill day. All I have is a lot of English homework. Mom is trying to sleep because she has a terrible headache and she didn't sleep very well last night. I'm going to, of course, like every morning, I'm gonna make my bed and then get started on the day. I thought I'd show you what I do to upload it. This is on my editing app. That's when I go to YouTube. I go to my channel, go to customize channel, and then I go to dashboard. It tells me stuff about my last video, how my channel's doing, all this stuff. This button right here, click that, select files, and scroll down to Vlogmas Day 3, and then it starts to upload. Now I have to make a thumbnail. I have an idea in mind, so I'm gonna do that. Time lapse. To the update of my incredibly boring, incredibly sad day. Well, it's really fun when you're all alone at home and it's gloomy outside and all you do is homework. It's really exciting. I don't even care about the lighting. Oh, my hair looks horrible. My face looks horrible. Looks like we're ready to go to the gym. Look at the baby. Day 3. It's right there. It is a little tree. I'm always hitting you with the good angles, aren't I? I'm ready to just sprint on a treadmill and forget about everything. So last night I did this, I have I guess not a medical condition, but my hands sweat a lot and it's very annoying. So I got a prescription for it like years ago, and I think it's been like 2 years that I've had this thing, and I used it like twice, but it made my hands super dry, so I didn't use it a lot, and I did it last night. You have to put it on your hands, like cover your hands in plastic wrap, cling wrap, and then sleep with it on. So I did that and it seemed to work pretty good. I might do it again tonight because they're still a little sweaty. That's something I struggle with, is I have very sweaty hands, and I think it's kind of common knowledge that I do, but what am I doing? Why are you doing this? If you don't look at her brain. Yes, I'm eating a spoonful of peanut butter. Last time I did this was like in 7th grade. No, it was 8th grade. A few of us would just take a spoon and scoop it in the peanut butter jar and eat off it, and it was actually kind of disgusting. It was good. I'm gonna clean my room because it's kind of a mess. I'm gonna put up Christmas decorations. Get in the Christmas mood, the Christmas spirit, something happy. Just kidding. I have done this for like 4 years in a row. 3 years? 3. Okay, so when you walk in the room, there's the door. Da-da-da. I have my dresser, my bed, my desk, and then this area. The Christmas tree goes right here in front of the window so that people can see it. This needs to go downstairs. I'm gonna end the video here. Oh look, you get to look right into my bathroom. Okay. Tomorrow's video is a video that I recorded a couple last weekend. But I just wanted to put it up. Kind of gives me a break, you know. I know it's only day like 4, but I hope you enjoy that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please consider subscribing. Join the Ray Train by subscribing and click that bell so the train goes woo! Have a blessed rest of your day, and you'll see me tomorrow, but not actually me living tomorrow. Okay, bye! Something's wrong with her. It's very disturbing. Really disturbing. You recording? Oh, you are? Yes! Oh my word.
You get to find some fun things later. Oh, look what Rachel got. Isn't this cute? It's a little watch. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Oh, see, it's like a Christmas watch, and it says, Christmas is coming, and there's a bunch of old men in the picture.
Oh my word. That makes me sound so disturbing. Beanie! I love how you're not even watching what you're filming.
Where's Beanie? Aw, there he is.
I'm so hot.
Always.
No. I always think I could get it off with headphones on.
This is really funny.
Stop.
I think this should go on your thingy.
No! Ah.
What do you listen to? Let's find out.
Maniac by Conan Gray.
You listen to some weird stuff.
Yeah, I do. It's a good song, though. Don't judge a song by its album cover.